Vigyan. I know when my son was very much there in Kota, he also qualified IIT from Kota. And way back in 2015, I'm talking, it was SM Sir. His full name today, whom we are seeing, is Shishir Mittal. People, the students of Kota lovingly know him as Shishir Mittal, SM Sir. In Kota, there are no film stars, there are no banners of politicians, there are no banners of movies, there are banners of Sir. SM Sir, Das Sir, PG Sir, physics faculty, like that. As we get down on Kota Junction and station, I think that aura, it is so catchy. You will find everywhere, Sir, 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 Sir. So a child gets so much motivated in that town. He's walking anywhere, he sees big banners or posters of the teachers. So one amongst them is today with us. Another person who has almost 50,000, children, he must have 80,000 plus children have passed through him, and somewhere around maybe 1 lakh of hours he have given in teaching. He's an excellent faculty of chemistry, organic chemistry. Children never miss his lecture, and he takes the top batches. He takes the top batches, and who make AIR, All India ranking. And today we have got another person with him, young and dynamic, Utkarsh Gupta, who was a pass out AIR 17 in year 2020, if I'm not wrong. And he also, after doing his engineering, he went into some definitely job, and finally he was once again attracted by Kota, and now he's in the team of SM Sir. I do find just sharing with my cup of tea with them in the morning when they arrived, I have been associated with them for past almost 10 years because my son passed out from Resonance while Sir was the HOD. And I can remember that time when in 10th, after 10th, he joined coaching in 11th, Resonance. Orientation program was going on. The students' parents are called for the IIT orientation, so that for 2 years, the parents also know how hard the children have to study. कितना मेहनत का जरूरत है IIT कोचिंग के लिए. और तब उनका सेशन जिस दिन होता है, इवनिंग में मतलब पूरा प्लान आउट हो जाता है. टुडे इवनिंग इज फिजिक्स फैकल्टी मिस्टर दास, टुमारो इट इज बाय SM सर, थर्ड डे इट इज बाय मिस्टर विजय, मैथ्स टीचर. एंड SM सर के orientation of SM sir, you have to come 2 hours before for 3,000 gathering. That pandal is of 3,000 parents capacity and the students. स्टूडेंट्स को तो जगह मिलता भी नहीं है, पेरेंट्स के लिए ही बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. सो आई वॉज अ विटनेस टू दैट बिकॉज माई सन वॉज टेकिंग एडमिशन इन 11th IIT coaching, and I attended SM Sir session, and I got somewhere around front seats because I came, the session was to start at 4, I came there at 1:30 so that I can get front seats and I can listen to SM Sir. That was the beginning, and till now I think it is not the end. Every now and then something new is coming up from SM Sir, and I'm so blessed. My son say, when I sent this creative which I was making, and I said to my son, presently my son is a senior data scientist in Bangalore, and he's wanting to go abroad to work something more with Oxford in AI and data science. But he say, Mummy, you are blessed. Your school is blessed, where Shishir Sir is coming. So, warm welcome to our Shishir Sir. Yes, warm welcome, and warm welcome to Utkarsh. Please be here. I greet them. Yes, sir. We welcome you lovingly to IDPS Tirupalli. Sir. Sir, my PowerPoint, where it is. Empowering Young Minds was there. Mini PowerPoint. empowering young minds. Yeah. Go back, sir. Yeah. Somebody has to click. Any of the student? Shiva to? Yeah, come with me. Come. This occasion. Today, we mark a significant milestone in our journey towards excellence in education as we formally announce our partnership with Vyas Edification, Kota's top premier institution. We are honored to have amongst us today Mr. Shishir Mittal. Please change the slide, Peter. CEO of Vyas Edification. Your presence here is a testament to your commitment to education and your belief in our shared vision. To our parents, we welcome you and thank you for entrusting us with the education and care of your children. Your support and partnership are invaluable to us, and we look forward to working together to provide your children with the best possible education. This partnership with Vyas Edification is a significant step for all of us, as it is taking us into a very progressive, forward-looking world of tomorrow, as our children will be provided with world-class facility and access to the faculty, resources and expertise. We are confident that this collaboration will enhance our academic program, provide new opportunities for our students, and help us achieve our goal of becoming a center of excellence in education in not only in this town of Chirukpalli, I do say it is in Andhra Pradesh in general. It will be one of the best institutions in coming days. And who knows, after 2 years, the first batch will flag off in 2025, 26 and 11 with the IIT and NEET experience. In 28, we are going to see our first batch of IITians from this school. Before we begin with the proceedings, I would like to express once again my gratitude to our esteemed guest parents. It is rightly said, Vidya Dadati Vinyam, means that knowledge gives humility and grace. And today is a perfect time for new beginning. And with grace and humility, I extend this partnership with our parents for today. To speak a little bit more about Shishir sir, please change the slide. Yeah, it's there. To his credit, he has more than 50,000 students in classroom program he has touched till today over last 25 years with an active student interaction time of nearly 1 lakh hours. Authors of 4 books of chemistry for IIT and JEE. BTech from IIT Mumbai, 1994-98 batch. Pan-India Byju's lead instructor for IIT JEE and NEET program. He was former executive president and HOD of chemistry Resonance, which I was sharing my experience that when I attended my son's orientation in 2015, there was a big rush in Resonance for SM sir's orientation in chemistry. And I had to reach, 4 o'clock was the time, sir, and I reached at 1:30 to take my seat. So that was a charisma. That was, I can say, the charming student. SM sir ko sunna hai. SM sir ko sunna hai. SM, we want to listen to SM sir. So that magnetic persona he has, shortly you're going to, feel that vibes when he comes and speaks here. He was a founding faculty of chemistry at Bansal's classes, Kota. We welcome you, sir. We have with us Utkarsh Gupta. He is the Chief Technical Officer with Vyas Edification now, a BTech from IIT Mumbai in Computer Science. He is NTSC and KVPY Scholar, topper of IPHO and ICHO, International Gold Medalist in ICHO, and All India Rank 17 in IIT JEE 2016. I'm sorry, I said 2020. He has been one of the department toppers in the Fable Computer Science Department of IIT Mumbai. I welcome this young dynamic man with us today, who is sitting on the chair this side. Yes, children, I hope you should clap for them. You should clap for them. So, just to recollect, please move on the slides. the Hall of Fame, I would like to see. Just, yeah, take a time. So vast experience. And now Sir is leading his Vyas edification with several integrated school projects all across the country and touching thousands of his students with the expertise he had earned over the years in the field of the coaching industry. Next, please, Shiva. So Utkarsh Gupta, trailblazer in science and technology. We are proud that he's here with us today. Next, please. Now, these are the ranks which I wanted to show you. In Nitin Gupta, AIR 1, IIT JEE 2000. Shubham Mehta, AIR 2, JEE Mains 2011. Shubham Mehta and Utkarsh Gupta, who is with us today. AIR 17, IIT JEE 2016. Then comes Shubhankar Mehta, AIR 100, IIT JEE 2019. And 2020, Dhananjay Kejriwal, AIR All India Rank 15 in IIT JEE. With that, I come to conclusion for today, and I now hand over the mic to Sir to go for the formal.
I must say, I must admire the commitment of parents, now that I'm a parent myself, sacrificing a Sunday morning, coming all the way to school with the kids and indulging us when it could have been definitely a more fun-filled, more interesting Sunday, sitting down, listening to academicians, talking about academics. But nonetheless, I believe for parents as well as for children, it could be, but let's hope that the next few minutes we spend together is a very enjoyable and a fruitful experience. Fruitful largely because we're talking about future. We're talking about how academics take shape and how these academics can shape the future of our children. And like any good things, I think let's start with some, there's no Deep Prajalan, but let's burn some incense, and I'd like to start with a small chemistry experiment. I was wondering if, because I teach chemistry, so I love sharing chemistry material always. Could I get a couple of, or maybe 2 or 3 student volunteers who can come up here and help me out?
Yes.
Anybody?
Yes. Any class 10 student, please come here.
10 to 11, I mean, anybody would be a welcome option. And there's nothing dangerous. There will be fire, but there may not be any explosions, so don't you worry about that. And yes, yes. No. इसको ये जला सकते हो आप? अगर जला 2-3 sticks, ना please burn. Please burn the incense sticks, and I just 1 or 2 sticks is fine. 3 is good. What are we up to? We are just talking about, students can more academically relate to it. It's more about oxidation and reduction. This is a chapter which you normally come across in 9th standard, 10th standard or 11th standard, depending upon at which level you have addressed this. So, for auspicious beginnings, सबसे पहले let's एक बार बहुत जला दें. Yeah, never mind. Okay, we'll survive it too. Please come here. I just want you to, please hold this from the ends carefully. Yeah, like this. Come over, come. Don't be afraid. Nothing bad is going to happen. Keep one, and one of this you can hold. Take this also. One, and please don't feel left out. So I'll give you one more. All we need to do is take this and just touch it here. Now, what does it look like? It looks like a nice happy piece of paper, right? And say, we just I think this is an auspicious beginning. You could also try this, and so could you. You can feel free. Make this touch at more places. Can you see? Notice some shiny crystals. you could just make a touch there and just watch the fun. Just touch it, let it touch, and then you can run away and see what happens. If you feel smoke is too much, just hold it a little away from the body. No guesses, no marks for guessing what's coming up. You could touch at more places so that it goes faster.
Yes.
Just show it. See it for yourself, see it. Let others also see. Oh, it went off? Never mind.
At all the point, please keep a safe distance.
Yeah.
Between each one of you.
Yes, keep it like this. We'll need more fire before actually the fire goes out. What you're witnessing is a typical classical fire writing. You can see fire literally eats away some portion of the paper and some designs are being carved on the paper.
That is not in one place where my observation goes. It's going like this.
The fire typically does not do that. You can't make it turn, can't make it walk or down at your whims. But this is what we're trying out.
Show it.
Oh, yes, wonderful. What's your name?
Shivant.
Shivant has got Omkar. Come, show it. Let.
Oh, lovely. The paper thing work like that. Shape it this way.
Well, this is a very simple demonstration. What is it like? See. I'll not bore you with the chemistry details of it, but just to give you a hint, we have obviously applied some magical chemical there, a very common chemical which you study in your chemistry textbook. And if you apply some potassium nitrate with a brush on a piece of paper, you find that slowly it becomes a oxidizable part. Potassium nitrate, when ignited, it begins to burn very slowly. And at the same time it burns some piece of paper also. You could see swastik appearing on a piece of paper, and we have wonderful set of students here. What's your name, dear?
Gnanendra, sir. Gnanendra.
Gyanendra.
And? Shivanand. Anshu, sir.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, these wonderful students. You have got blessings of God also, because you have got Omkar, you have got swastik. I think this is a great, auspicious and kind of scientific chemical beginning. And with this, may I request you to take your spaces? Please take your seats. Good. We are here to ignite minds, not just ignite papers, but yes, we are here to ignite minds. And I remember last month when Vanda ma'am was talking to me, she said that, sir, would you like to come down to South and maybe start a branch here? So I said, the distance is a little too far off. But the motivation she gave me was that the students there are wonderful. She said, such committed set of students, so studious, always so engaged. And I said, let's test it out. Let's go there and see how committed the students are. The moment I was walking in this corridor, I entered, I saw a child, a lovely child, very brilliant child. He came running to me and said, sir, can you tell me a few doubts? Now, see, for a teacher, these are like golden words. Normally, what happens is, when I'm walking in a corridor, if a student is good at studies, they approach. If they're not so good at studies, they run away. And the moment you enter a campus and somebody walks up and says, I have 4 doubts in chemistry, can you just help me? Wonderful, that boy, what's his name? Very brilliant boy. Shivaskar, So Shivaskar came up and, after that, sometime principal ma'am had to stop him. Okay, enough Shivaskar, let him breathe, let him drink maybe a glass of water and then you can ask. And I said, no, wonderful. See, definitely the spirit here is wonderful. The energy, the vibes, As ma'am had said, the students do seem to be pretty dedicated, although I'm yet to see the entire crowd. But Shivaskar, please. I've answered your doubts if I haven't retained you, but now usually a basic decorum is when we are talking, let's talk to us only, right? Hannah? So I'll just request your attention for 20-30 minutes. Don't talk amongst yourselves. Just listen to me. I'll maybe just 20-30 minutes, not more. Baat karenge aaram se. Then we'll chat and we'll move all across and chat, right? So silence for the time being. So all dear parents, dear students, the lovely school, under the leadership of Vandana ma'am, they invited us and they said if we can start a school integrated program for training our students for IIT JEE and NEET. I'll just briefly in 2 minutes share my background and then we'll come to what exactly are we going to offer and how exactly are we going to conduct our program. I came to Kota after passing out from IIT Bombay in 1998, that's around 26 years, now 27 years back, yes. When I entered this place, I got very similar vibes as entering Kota, when I entered Kota for the first time. Very calm, placid place, dedicated set of students, dedicated set of teachers, and this is a place where actually one can work wonders. So, of course, it remains for us to see how we can do this, how dedicatedly we dedicate ourselves for this. But when we talk about the program of VIA certification, at VIA certification, we are more focused on enjoyable learning. Our children should learn their concepts very well. They should learn them accurately, and in the process, if they enjoy the studies, if they're enthused about studying day in and day out, without feeling that this is a burden, without actually, the kind of enthusiasm I saw in a good friend here when I entered, if that is the level of enthusiasm we are able to inspire in every child, then this is when we consider our job done. Since last quarter century, we have had excellent results. Many of our students have attained All India rank 1, 2, 7, 10, etc. So there have been toppers. Ma'am, the presentation you showed, Shubhankar Gambhir was All India rank 1, not 100. I'm sorry. But never mind, because 1 to 100 is a lot of difference. In JEE, he was All India rank 1. So, and so on and so forth. So, we've had a wonderful, experience with training young minds. And as I stand here today, just one request, ma'am, can we switch off this AC? I'm literally feeling I'm in Shimla. So, yeah. So, I'll just give you a brief outline of how we work. See, when we start our course at any center, the first thing what we ensure is excellence. We'll skip the slide for the time being. This VIA Society or the school integrated program, what are the various features? The first feature is a very detailed academic plan. Now, you may say that what is so special about having an academic plan? Truth is, very few institutions across the country are as systematic as having an everyday plan mapped out. I have worked with most of the most prestigious brands in the complete country. And I find that unless we have a systematic day-by-day planning of every day, there is no way we can conduct a great plan. So we first begin by building a very good academic plan so that, we are able to deliver the entire course in a most efficient way. A very signature activity is our study material. We have a few copies of material here. We have a dedicated team of specialists, around 10 to 15 IITians who are continuously working on building this. The major job is building up the study material, and I'm very happy to say that this is probably one of the best study materials across the country. In case the child has been to other coaching institutes, you could actually take a look, compare, and you would find my words very justified that this is probably, when I say the word probably, it is just being humble. Otherwise, it is the best study material across the country. So,
Media is here. Media is here.
And this break, please do take a look at the study material.
Yeah.
And okay. I'm very happy to announce the
Children, can I expect you to be maintaining a bit quietness? Dear students and parents, please.
Vyas certification from Kota has been a wonderful hub for training the students for IIT JEE and NEET, and I'm very happy to announce that we have tied up with the school here, the International Delhi Public School at Cherukpalli, and we'll be conducting a program for 6th standard till 12th standard students for training them for IIT JEE and NEET. It is wonderful meeting students here, meeting parents here, and I look forward to making Cherukpalli a very great center for IIT JEE and NEET preparation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's invoke Lord Ganesha so that the remaining portion of session goes without interruptions and, no hiccups. But yes, thank you all for your patience, and definitely, I think this was the first time a session like this I have experienced an interruption, but nonetheless. So I was talking about what exactly are we going to do? How exactly will we conduct our programs? And what is our methodology? One feature you have just witnessed, which is our study material, which is exceptionally well structured. Each chapter has been divided into sub-chapters, then there are specific levels. If you have cared to notice, it is 4 levels: awake, arise, accelerate, and accomplish. So, for the very first time when a child is studying, even if you're doing the chapter on a very basic level, you first have to do the awake part of it. And then, if you can do better, you go for arise. Those who are preparing for competitive exams can very well address accelerate, and those who are targeting international Olympiads, accomplish is the portion which is for them. So, every chapter, every section in our structured study material can be covered at 4 levels. Can I not have this interruption, please? Am I audible at back? Yeah, wonderful. Another wonderful feature is, and probably the most unique feature is our faculty. Typically, when we talk about faculty applications, we receive around 10,000 applications for position of teachers. We recruit from only IITs and NITs. We recruit them, we train them, and out of those 10,000 applicants, not more than 40 or 50 get selected. So the selection process for faculty is tough, it is very inspiring, and only the best of teachers make it to our faculty pool. It's a very well-trained set of teachers, and I hope the students, or at least the parents, may be aware that ultimately it is the faculty, the excellent cutting-edge faculty, which makes a difference between program A or program B or program C. Ours is a fairly tough academic program, a very involved, a very in-depth and detailed academic program, which can be delivered only by an extremely well-trained and a very professional faculty. So 4 faculty members of ours, physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology, will be coming from Kota and will be stationed, will be residing here in the school campus and will be conducting the entire program. So that is again the next very significant features. What else? How would we be running the program? One part, of course, is conducting classes. Our teachers come to the classes, conduct the classes. Homework is assigned daily. It is checked daily on day-to-day basis. Viva are conducted. Viva, I hope you, those of you, at least the parents, you might be remembering from your school days, it is an oral exam or an oral test. Viva roughly on daily basis makes sure if the child is studying properly or not, if they've got the basics correct, the basic definition, formulae, facts, logic, and a very special feature of this is concept development sessions. Concept development sessions are conducted only by Vyas certification, as far as I understand. No other coaching I've seen doing it. But the way we do this, small group of students are made. They sit in a circle or in whichever configuration they feel comfortable. The homework is done in the presence of teachers. See, typically what happens is IDJE or NEET homework is sometimes difficult. When students go home or when they're working out on their own, they are not able to finish that homework in stipulated time. Say, in question number 3, they get stuck. Now, if they're sitting over that question number 3 for 50, instead of finishing this in 3 minutes, if they take, say, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, those students come back and complain, sir, we're not able to manage time. If I do physics, chemistry gets left out. I do chemistry, then biology or mathematics gets left out. How do I finish my homework in time? How exactly I do it more efficiently? Can I actually finish my homework on day-to-day basis properly? If you want to get selected with top ranks in any of these competitive exams, you have to just make sure only one thing. What? Finish off all our homework on day-to-day basis. If you can just maintain this discipline, you would find that you would obtain exceptional and wonderful results. And previous results are a testimony of this claim. But it is not easy for you to finish our homework on day-to-day basis, and special sessions in which the students sit down with our teachers and finish our homework in their presence with their assistance. This is what we call as concept development session, and this is again a very signature feature of our program at Vyas Certification, Kota. Also, we hold regular doubt solving sessions. So periodically, if you have doubts, you can always approach your teachers, ask them anything on earth, whatever you want. If they can answer, great. But please understand, teachers may not be omniscient. They are not gods. They may know, it's not necessary that they may know everything. But I must say that our faculty pool is so well versed and so large. If immediate teachers of yours, 99% will be able to handle you very well. If 1%, if you have such exceptional talent that they are not able to answer all your questions, each of you is most welcome to connect to our head of departments at national level. The children can get connected, of course, not on one-on-one basis, but through Zoom or through any electronic media. And all their doubts would be resolved, all their queries will be answered. Anything relevant they want to ask, it will be encouraged, entertained, and we make sure that when we talk about ignited minds, the minds are ignited and they are well taken care of. Finally, performing well in a competitive exam is not just about teaching or problem solving in physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. It's also about test-taking aptitude. So we have periodic tests, we have weekly tests, we have fortnightly, monthly tests, cumulative tests, part tests. This is a complicated test series. But the idea is various kinds of tests are conducted periodically, frequently. Their tests are analyzed, feedbacks are given, and we make sure that if a child is keen on improving his or her performance, we make sure that we structurally and systematically support the child in such a way that their performance can be maximized. So this is quickly, roughly a program outline which we offer. Usually it is much better understood by question answers, but then this is what I had to convey initially from one-to-one. So overall, this is our offering at Vyas Certification, and if I just compare this with any other coaching program across the country, our commitment, our offering is usually 2 to 3 times the work which is done by others. So I'm very happy that I'm here in Ruchikapalli and talking to you all. Thank you so much, Vrinda ma'am, for calling us and giving us this wonderful audience, such a wonderful, enlightened, patient audience. And I'll be very happy if you have more things to ask. But on my part, this is what I had to share. There are so many stories which can be shared. There are so many incidents, anecdotes which can be talked about. But as I said, it takes a lot of affection in a parent's heart to sacrifice a Sunday morning and come over to school and listen to academic talks. So I appreciate you all for sparing this time. The floor is open for questions, if any. Otherwise, thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
He developed a lovely app for the students, and when I was hearing them, I was really well struck that how beautiful it is to understand where are your weak areas and how you can work upon your strength. As sir was saying, solving a particular question for 15 minutes is one part, and how to manage it in time where the students falter badly. So I hope in this his app, something we would like to hear from you, Utkarsh. Please.
Thank you, ma'am, and parents. So, yeah. So, while teaching students, problem teachers and parents face, and students also face alike, is at any given point in time, a student has a lot of weak areas. So, there are a lot of So there are a lot of topics to cover, and sometimes like a lot of topics are weak simultaneously, and students don't know what to study first. And so this leads to discouragement on part of students because they're not able to understand things. So which topics to prioritize? Often there are some topics from previous classes which are weak. So let's say you have some weak area left over from 7th class, and it will keep hurting you in 10th class, in 11th class, and so on. So we have developed this app in which we have broken the syllabus into very small pieces, which we call subtopics. So for instance, in chemistry, we have around 1500 subtopics. And what the app does is, as you practice on the app, it will track your ratings, skill ratings across the subtopics. So we know how well you are in each subtopic. And then we also have a mapping. So to understand this subtopic, you need to first understand all these subtopics first. So using that, we suggest students in which order they should rectify their weaknesses. So as they practice, we get to know about your strengths and weaknesses. And then we tell you, okay, in next 15 minutes, you should study this topic. You should read this theory, watch these videos, and then do these 10 questions so that you get a measurable improvement in your performance. So using this in conjunction with your daily teachers' homework that they assign you, you can get practice at your level, which is suitable at your current level. So the weak students will start from the basics, and even the advanced students have some weaknesses, and like a topic is never perfect. There is always a scope for improvement. So where to improve from, where to start from, this app will address, and I hope you all have a very great time using it. And as we get more data from students and more feedback, we will keep improving it. Thank you.
One suggestion, Utkarsh, I'm sorry, I'm pitching in because he has finished. Can we, if for those of you who are motivated by this, you can download app now also and check. Yeah. We can go for phase 2 not. All you need to do is the student can write down his or her name and a mobile number. Once this is done, it shows, first it shows some buffering, and then it shows you can. Yes, ma'am has got BharatBrains. Yeah.
So we have tried to make a gamified sort of format so that
and it's a wonderful gamified format. You'll be writing small quizzes, and after every quiz you get some stars, you get some diamonds, and you get some marks. So BharatBrains is the app. For those of the students who want to take a look at that, can go ahead. If you are comfortable, download that. And just now also, if your annual exams are going on, it will help you in revising your this year's concepts also. Currently, the app is live for 6 to 10 standard students.
And the content is being updated each week. So each week you will see more content and more practice. So this app will also actually allow teachers to give different homework for each student, because each student has their own progress journey, strengths and weaknesses. So using our another software, teachers can actually in a matter of minutes give different homework for each student, which is tailored to the particular student.
So for example, I am weak at say algebra in maths, so he'll give me more homework in maths, and if he needs more focus on geometry, he'll receive a homework in geometry more. So in that sense, it's a very wonderful personalized app. We have spent 3 years and a very big engineering team in building this. Lot of cream level resources, and may not be a tall talk, but this probably might be one of the best educational apps, not just in the country but in the world. So do take a look at it. We have enjoyed making this very much, and I hope you equally enjoy actually using it for your betterment. Right? Anything else? Thank you so much.
It is a lot of hard work because the standard of teaching will be high. The children have to complete the daily task of the day. The same day, online tests are being taken in the computer lab. The students will be given their unique ID, and they'll be sitting in the labs, and directly the test which they are taking of 10 minutes of test, whatever happened in the class today, a generalized test is taken to understand their understanding of that particular topic. And the complete detailed analysis is directly being given to the parents, that where your child stands, after which the remedial measures are being taken, and the concepts which are not explained, which were not really very clear, will be then again taken by the teachers. So online Viva sessions will happen from the quota, and the expert faculty, what I could just hear is that the children who are getting highest and up of top faculty, that's what, sir, I could get? That's what I could get? Yeah, doubt resolution. So Sundays will be off days for them, where they are having some series of some tests can be conducted on Sundays. And these are into the small children. What Utkarsh was just now saying about the app, see, this app is chiefly to understand where are you. It is something like, suppose sir was sharing me in the morning that acid, bases and salt. This is a topic which is in class 10th. Board examination in science. But this chapter starts right from class 6 and 7. And this, suppose there is any concept which has been missed in the early years as 7th and 8th, you couldn't get from your teacher, then they have the complete in this app, that where is that area where you are going slow, and how through tests they understand. And since it is integrated with AI, they will propose that these are the topics you have to read, and they are into the small 5 minutes, 7 minutes modules which are available online. So AI will suggest you, which is integrated with their system, that on those small topics you are reading, and then you are clearing your doubts and you are moving forward. Many times what happened, dear students and parents, 10th class when the child comes, he feels very awkward in the class sometimes. Main ye puchu, should I ask, should I not ask? It is very silly question. ये fear और ये phobia या इस psychosis है कि पता नहीं what my friends will think of me, I don't know this basic, and he is not able to ask his teacher in the class, and many times he is not even asking, he doesn't even ask in person. And for this, when he sits on the computer and he takes a test through these apps and all that, then AI integrated with this app will give you the inputs that these are the areas where you need to revise your concept, and those concepts are also given in a very small test modules and some remedial topic. Uske bare mein pura kuch diya hoga. Means that the same topic would be given in brief, taking you back, 2 years back, so that you can refresh that particular topic of any subject of science. I hope I am very clear. So this apps become very free. BharatBenz app, anybody can download, and I hope our children, they will be getting some extra benefits about it. And all the tests which will be happening in the DPPs, they say, daily practice papers. And daily practice paper DPPs are happening in the computer lab. So the children who are staying in the hostels, they will get a very high benefit of this, because in the study hour, Sham ke samay in the school, they have got their separate classes going on. The sections will be made accordingly, and they will have exclusive program of maths and science going. But in the evening studies hour, whatever we have learned during the day, or in past 2 days will be online test. So subject wise, these tests are only of 10 minutes duration. So from 6 to 6:30 or from 7 to 7:30, 10 minutes, you will work out on your test. Direct reports हमको कोटा से मिलती है. We get the quota from quota the report. Analysis आ जाता है कि किधर बच्चे ने अच्छा नहीं किया है. So any partiality, any prejudice, any favoritism will not be here now in this. A child who is sharp will move with his sharpness. I can't alter his marks. If he is getting out of 50, 25, it means 25. Where he has to work hard, he will be guided where he has to work hard with the concept. So that there is no such, I can say, something feel bad factor in a child that my teacher gives to this child more marks, मेरे को कम देते हैं, उसको ज्यादा देते हैं, वो उनका favorite है. ना, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Test papers सब online, quota is creating, we are also not creating. So they have to pass those tests. Am I very clear? So a very good comprehensive analysis you will get about the progress of your ward in the academic area, and the child himself feel very much excited. I have seen in my ex-school where we had the same program, the class 7th and 8th children, when I used to take personally every Friday and Saturday, I used to meet the children and ask them, what is your DPP report? Out of 20 tests in this month, you are only on 7? Why have you only come to 7? Why you are back by 13 tests? Madam, I went to marriage, ma'am. That is why I couldn't do. Just give me 2 days of time. And I have seen the passion of the child. He went to computer lab. He was a hostler. He said, sir, today I will be working for 2 hours in the lab. I have to complete my test. Academic director, madam, has said me to complete. I am back, sir, from other students. And he finished his 13 tests that day. So I have seen that passion. वो एक fire है. It is something of fire, which if a child gets, and it's not something we have to lit this fire from outside. It is a fire from within. And in the words of APJ Abdul Kalam, ignite the fire in the young minds. This is the key word of APJ Abdul Kalam, who used to, whenever addressed to the students, he has a beautiful book by this name, Ignite the Fire. In his autobiography, he has again and again said, once the fire is ignited, there is no need to hold that source of light near it. It reaches ignition temperature till it catch fire of its own. So a paper has got its own ignition temperature, which is very low. For a piece of wood, it is high, and metal very high. So किसको क्या इग्निशन? एक पेपर को जलाने के लिए आपने देखा, मैं एक आउटसाइड सोर्स लाऊंगी, एक माचिस की तीली लाऊंगी, मैच स्टिक लाऊंगी, उसको मैं जलाती हूं. जलाने के बाद वो जैसे ही that paper catches fire, I take that and I move it. मैं उसको हटा देती हूं. I mean this fire. This fire has to be ignited. After that, even if the source moves away, the fire keeps on burning. Fire keeps on burning. With that words, I take a time for break for all of you, and then I hope the lunch may be ready another some time, so you can have a cup of tea there in the canteen area and take a break for another half an hour, and then please take lunch, which we have prepared for you exclusively. And with that, I look forward that in the coming session from 25-26, where we are having this partnership to begin, I look forward for my parents of class 10th who are seeking admission in 11th. See, taking your children away to Vijayawada, Guntur, Bangalore is one part of the story. When your child is with you, there is some, I can say, there are times when he or she may feel low. There are times when his, I can say, there are signs he did not score well. He may be finding a little bit bad about himself. Why is he not able to cope up? पर वो जब आपके साथ रहता है, आपके घर में रहता है, आप उसके साथ अपना प्यार, affection, love, care, emotional collect, keep on moving, beta, doesn't matter. There's 1 marks. ये test के marks are not going to define, and next test you are going to get better marks. And that pushes him for the next level of better performances, which hitherto, if we are sending children outside, definitely ये हमारे से connect थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है. So, आप लोग जितने यहाँ पे आसपास के एरिया में हैं, nearby area, as we are getting the best of the facilities here, I want everyone to please take the best use of this facility. And if the child remains with you, he is at a distance of 25-50 kilometer. It is within your reach to reach out on the weekend, meet your child and see how is he going about his NEET and IIT programs. I hope I'm clear. I hope I'm clear to all the parents. And those parents whose children write in class 6 and 7, I think they are much blessed. They are much blessed because right from class 6 and 7, their children will start thinking that way. The critical and the creative thinking, which are essential key ingredients of 21st century skill, and also the competency-based learning, which CBSE is focusing upon. 40% questions in the question paper of board exams are going to be on critical thinking and creative thinking. So critical and creative can only a child can do if he practice critical and creative thinking in his classroom teaching. All of a sudden in board exam he can't do anything. We have to expose the children for this type of teaching in our regular teaching periods in the classrooms. Am I very clear? So, dear parents, see the pattern of the board exam is changing. The integration of the coachings with the school is chiefly done now because we are moving towards the MCQ, multiple choice question, very short question. Recent circular of the board is saying that initially the weightage was 50% of the MCQs, now they are rising to 60% and reducing the long answers and short answers to just 40% of the total. Now this is a very big twist which board is taking in upcoming session. That means a child has to be exposed. They are preparing the children for professional, I can say, competitions basically. This is the way the board is moving, that before we never used to go, our papers in CBSE used to be subjective. Ab board ye change kar raha hai, and this is a very big paradigm shift. Very big paradigm shift. Because the child is getting prepared. Choices are not easy, dear parents. Parent may think it is very easy. No, it's very typical. Students are not getting now 100 out of 100. They are losing marks in MCQs. They are writing short answers, long answers very well. But in MCQs, they are doing mistakes. And one mistake, it takes your 1 mark. So, it's very important because इसी pattern में IIT का paper है. इसी pattern में you have got paper of NEET. So, the child has to have that exposure of facing those type of papers and those type of practice in his school. With that, I take a leave from all of you. Thank you. God bless you. And I hope happy Pongal to all of you. The children. Yes. Okay. Yes. Our principal sir is saying we will have open question answer session from the parent side. FAQs. Anybody who have got any doubt can please raise your hand and we will reach there with the mic. एक और माइक है हमारे पास बेटा हाँ okay any of the parents
yes if
anybody yeah please
hand on and Sunday we will go for tests and open questionnaire that if any student is lacking behind in any particular topic we will get it clear on Saturday and Sunday as well. Okay.
Here I would like to clear, as you have asked, 7 or 8 hours of teaching. Dear parents, we are very clear that maths and science, that is physics, chemistry, 8th A, 8th B or 7th A, 7th B. So one batch will be exclusively made for IIT. These children will have only IIT faculty teaching them maths and sciences. Am I very clear?
Yeah.
And on the weekends day, our NCRT, obviously they are teaching NCRT. Along with that, high level of the teaching of that particular. And here are certain books and modules which I have just given. Please bring me back 1 or 2 of them. The parents have got, just I have given to see. Chapter-wise modules, please give me 1. Yeah. Any student, please bring. Shiva, please bring. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. them the sub pages. Just hold near me. They are giving the notes of this, and after that they are giving. See, there are different level of it. The awake, which may be the beginner's level of solving the questions. NCERT has got limitation of questions, but their level will be higher. Usi mein subtopic and topics will be taken separately by them with very big clarity. You can see lovely booklet. The children love this book and they like to solve many of the questions which are coming in the form of test series to them. There are class notes given here. So child doesn't have to write anything. They will be getting on right from class 6. This is there. So science, you have got the book. You have every chapter wise this booklet will be given to the child. Those who are into the IIT batch. Am I very clear? Other than the NCERT. So all the questions is what they are coming. They are discussion questions. They are prelim questions, means at stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and then critical thinking. So once a teacher can finish this book of NCERT, this chapter in somewhere around 5 days. But when they teach, they will take it to a little higher version of it. They will take 8-9 days to complete this. And the children, after reading this booklet, they have to appear for their practice papers online, right, in the evening hours. So my humble submission, those children or the parents who are thinking that their child should be in the IIT batch, they should ensure that their children, if they are preferably staying in hostel, it will be better. Because evening study hours is where they can make the best. I mean, application will be in the evening study hours. Am I very clear? Yes. And like this, in maths, chapter wise, in science, so a biology teacher will have the biology, all the teaching will also be by the 4 faculty which are coming from Kota. My teachers will be teaching in the second batch of the children who are the CBSE based children, but these children will be getting these booklets separately. Am I very clear? That's it. Thank you. Any other FAQ? Any other questions? And rest assured, dear parents, I think there is no compromise on the quality of the faculty. They will be highly qualified people who are coming from Kota. So definitely we get the cutting edge. If the teachers are good, definitely the students are good and definitely the results are good. We are committed to provide good teachers right from kindergarten to class 12th. But now that this program is here with us, I want to assure you that all the teachers who are coming, they are the experts in their respective field, coming from IITN and IT colleges. Am I very clear? And they are masters of their subject. It is just कि ऐसा कहते हैं गुरु के बारे में, एक किसी शिष्य ने पूछा, गुरु मुझे ये खजाना कुछ मोती चाहिए, तो गुरु ने कहा बहुत है मेरे पास, खजाना है, भरा हुआ खजाना है, पूरा एक कुआं भरा हुआ है। तो वो बोलता है तो फिर मुझे दे दीजिए। तो बोलते हैं ऐसे कैसे मिलेगा, उसको खोदना तो खुद ही पड़ेगा, उस खजाने को खोदना खुद पड़ेगा। तो यही नॉलेज और विजडम के लिए है। आई मीन आई एम कमिंग डाउन टू हिंदी। It is that teacher has got a complete storehouse of knowledge and wisdom. It is the student who is to come and take it out. It will not be available ready-made. So you have to dig it. You have to dig it, dear children. And then there is no end to that khajana. No end to that treasure of knowledge. Any other parents who wish to ask any question? Any other parents? Please feel free to ask any student. I hope if the students, they have any query, you can just please ask. Manpuli, you have any questions? Okay. Snehaj, your parents, do you have any questions? At the back side, Raghavendra, there are many of the girl students also here. I heard somebody from this, I think, section of the girls, is biology coming up? Somebody is wanting for the biology to take up for the NEET aspirant here. Is there anybody for biology? Yes or no? Yes or no? Who's that? Who's saying the yes to me? There is somebody. Don't be afraid to say yes. It will be very good. We will be having only, I think so, physics and chemistry classes will go common, and for maths and bio, the students will separate in different classes. That's it. So we look forward, I think, Any other thing which you want to ask? Please feel free.
Thank you, Anand Sharma garu. Thank you, Gupta garu and Medal garu. I'm from Kail University, sir. It's a PhD scholar. So, like I say, 7th Leopard father. Myself, I just want to know so some people don't have the capacity to understand the basic concepts of learning. How can we improve the quality of learning? So, by improving emotional intelligence. So, all AI is going to teach us many things, but we need to improve emotional intelligence also. So, that for some techniques regarding this emotional intelligence also, kindly expect from you top-most IIT Bombay technique users. Thank you.
That's a wonderful question, Garu. And we are focused on STEM, physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. Now, emotional intelligence, this is the specialty of MAM here.
Learning capacity of understanding skills, because some of us don't have the understanding skills. No? For that also, I need some capacity of learning.
Actually, sir, what happens is, if a child is weak in the basics, first of all, when we begin, we don't assume that the child knows anything a priori. So typically we start from, like, even if you're starting in standard 11th, if there are basics involved in standards 8, 9, 10, we summarize them, revise them, we make all the basic definitions and then proceed. That's the first thing we start with. Secondly, as Utkarsh was suggesting, there is a wonderful app on which all the basics are covered, and it is not that the child is just left with the app. Guided problem solving will be there. Our teachers will be guiding. Now, if I observe that this student is not comfortable, say, doing trigonometry, now it may be that they're having problems with trigonometry begins in standard 9th, but fractions is a chapter which happens in standard 6th or 7th. So if they're having a problem, if trigo is a problem, is the problem with trigonometry or is the problem there with fractions? If the problem is there with fractions, then we will go and sit down with fractions and solve that. So app is useful there, but then a careful intervention by our children, by our faculty, which is also there. Faculty will attend to all these needs of the children. One-on-one basis, they'll be observing, because the strength is very limited. They'll be observing the kids and taking care of the basics, and the students are most welcome to ask. None of them will be discouraged in saying, okay, this is, this is something which you should have learned in standard 5 or 6. No problem. If there's a doubt, always they're welcome. They will not be discouraged. And if they're shy or if they're unaware, then our faculty, with the help of our AI guided app, will identify that which are the working zones and we will address those things.
Very good concept, ma'am. MCQs are very important for competitive exams. This type of new technology.
We'll conclude now first session. Hello. Yes, I hope we are about to conclude this. We are about to conclude. Yeah. So now, dear parents, it's time to take a goodbye in terms of a short break, not goodbye like this, but for a short Pongal break. The children are very excited, especially class 10th who has been here with me. I made them stay after 10th also. After 9th evening, मैंने बच्चों को रोक लिया कि मैं 3 दिन आपके साथ और पढ़ूंगी और पढ़ाऊंगी आपके साथ और पढ़ूंगी भी. पर I'm glad that yes, children accepted this request of mine, and we were working for past 2-3 days with them. But now the time has come also for them to take a break. We are just 25 days away from the board examination. So my humble request to all the parents who have come to pick up their children, that please send them back by 16th evening or 17th morning. Please send them back, because we are on the, I can say, on severe and very extensive revision task. First paper happens to be on 15th of February of English, after which there is a gap of 4 days only for the paper of science. So we will be working with the paper of science in just forthcoming 10 days, so that children are better prepared for paper number 2. And all of you, please cooperate in this. It doesn't matter that you may stay 1 day over also, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. पर हमारे teachers वापस आएंगे. They are also going. Many of them are South Indians, so they will also return back after 4 days. But at the same time, I do find if the children will return, I am asking the teachers to return back. पर बच्चा लोगों को भी वापस आना है. तो 16th evening को आप लोग पोंगल अच्छे से celebrate करिए. By 16th evening or 17th morning, please send your children back to the school. Now you can make a move. I hope so, for some refreshments out there in our canteen and also for the lunch which is awaiting. It may take some time of another 20 minutes for the lunch, but I hope you all are very excited about the lunch of IDPS. How many of you love the lunch of IDPS? Let me know. Let me know. Yes, I want to see the hands raised. Yes, yes. I also love it. We have got exclusive our services of canteen. The cooks, they're expert in their dishes and you love it and our children also love it. With that, once again, happy Pongal. Anything else? Let's wind off. Who's coming?
Doesn't matter if it's and talk.
Srinivas sir, I hope we can open the doors. They can sit and they can talk by the time the things are ready. Not an issue? Yes, it's... Who are here? I can see many of these young boys are there of class 6 and 7 if I am not wrong. Yes sir. Have you given to them? There are young boys of class 6 and 7. Oh yes, Sai sir is here. Welcome you sir. Please welcome Sai sir. Yes. Shishir Mittal sir, he's chairman sir, Mr. Sai. And he's Utkarsh Gupta. Please sir. What to say now?
Starting. So, I would like to say one thing. Might be you all are quite aware that our chairman sir, when he thought about a school in Cherukupalli, is a kind of rural area, he come with a vision to provide his students a world-class facility so that when they will go in urban areas, they must not feel wow. The reason behind this is, if the things which we can provide in villages, why our kids need to go in cities to rejoice such things? That's why the all things or the infrastructure, if you will see, of IDPS is a world-class infrastructure, each and every room equipped with ACs and a 5-star facility we are providing here. So I will say that, as you all know, that Kota is famous for producing IITians. This time we will say Cherukupalli will be the hub for producing IITians. So with this, I will show that as you produce your hopes in our institutions, we are ensuring in return that we will show our 100% and we will make our students that at the place of Kota, we will say it's a Cherukupalli. And our students will go spread their knowledge towards the world and they will say that we are from IDPS Cherukupalli. So, with these words, I will say ma'am to say a few words and after that we will further for next program. Yes, you want to say?
Yes, Sai sir is here with us today. We know that he's a very young, dynamic man, and the chairman sir and his family is committed to give quality education, and I hope it is a dream come true for the people of Cherukupalli and the nearby areas. The children are coming far away from Sri Lanka, from Chirala and from Repalli, and even the children from, yes, they are from, one of the student is saying from Ongole, yes, right? Also from Bangalore, there are students here in the school from Bangalore, far away, and just their parents have believed in us, they have trusted in us that this one school in Andhra Pradesh is a premier institution. In terms of infra, it's okay. In terms of facilities, it's okay. But the commitment to give the quality faculty which makes the difference in the school in terms of the quality of the children which come out year after year by bringing, I can say, by bringing to them the name and fame by qualifying in various competition. That is what a school remembered for a long period of time. Many of the parents sometimes say me that, madam, this facility or this particular thing is not there. But I found mostly the parents who interact with me, they are more worried about the academics of their children. They talk mostly to me, ma'am, how is the studies going? He's weak in this subject. He's weak in this area. How can I do? What your teachers can do? How both the parents and teachers actually, collaborate together in this journey of your child. It is something like a pyramid. On top is your child. It is a pyramid, triangle, like a prism. On top is your child. Here at one base is the school and the another base is your home. Both the school and the home come together for the bringing up of your child, which is on the top of the pyramid. So I look forward that the management, if they have dreamt about it, they have brought it. मैनेजमेंट ने इसका सपना देखा और इस सपने को पूरा किया है. आपके ड्रीम्स के लिए उन्होंने एक स्टेप लिया है, आपके बच्चे के ड्रीम्स को पूरा करने के लिए एक स्टेप लिया है, और इस स्टेप में आप अगर हमारे साथ चलते हैं, इफ यू वॉक विथ अस, I hope we are able to take this journey forward with many more dreams to come true, many IITians to come up from this Tirupalli, and this small town can make its name on the national level in the map of India. Oh, from Tirupalli, one child has topped the country in its AIR ranking in IIT, or taken admission in AIMS or any other good medicine college. So with these wishes, and good luck to each one of you. Yeah, the parents who have the booklets with, I think I had given one of the student, please get up. Mahant, please get up, and Shiva, please collect the booklets. There were many booklets with.
Hello, this is Shishir Mittal, and I'm very happy to announce an association of Vyas certification quota with IDPS Tirupalli. Will be offering coaching for IIT and NEET exams at this campus, and we hope and we intend and we will strive to create a legacy of producing a trail of toppers, of students going to IITs, to the top medical colleges of the country, by promoting a wonderful environment of learning and competitive education at International Delhi Public School, Tirupalli. So I hope that it goes wonderful offering of IDPS to Tirupalli students, and I wish them all the best, and I hope that each of them is going to derive maximum benefit from
IDPS Tirupalli to start its partnership with Kota's premier institution, Vyas Edification. This partnership with Vyas Edification is a significant step forward for all of us to enable our students with access to world-class faculty, resources and expertise. We are confident that this collaboration will enhance our academic program, provide new opportunities for our students, and help us achieve our goal of becoming a center of excellence in the school in nearby area, and also to be known as one of the premier institutions of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you and good wishes to IDPS Tirupalli.
It was a nice experience. Parents joined this orientation and it was very fruitful. Very sure in future we are collaborating with IIT Kota. People are working with us, and as our institutions which is already working a lot in education field. So by the collaboration of Vyas classes, which is going to implement this year for this academic session, we will have a very nice experience, and our students will rejoice the benefits of all that, and very soon we will get some IITians and we will make excellence in education field. So IDPS Tirupalli welcome them and the parents for taking the benefits of these classes. Thank you.